the spoiled, part one of the spoiled son. I think I need to go to the bathroom. I think I'm also going to the bathroom today. Okay, then let's throw it and flush it and wash my hands. Finally. What was that noise? Brother, what are you doing in the bathroom? I just cleaned the toilet. I'm gonna tell Mom tomorrow morning. Turn off the lights. Okay. I hope you guys will turn. The next morning. The next rainy day morning. What is the smell? I think this is my son's. I think my spoiled son came again. I think we're gonna go back to my room and go get ready for my clothes. I'll do this one. Go back to my room and get ready for my dress. So get ready. Shower.
Don't say that. Papa Jesus loves you.
Daughter, wake up. Good morning, Mom. My brother spoiled was going back for poop. I saw some strange smell.
Ate, ang pasok niyo.
And I smell something blue. That's not a breath. That smells poop. Now go away.
Suotin bukas na lang tayo, okay?
It's raining. I don't want to go to school. You can't go. You go to school again.
Eh, tapos,
Okay.
subarin mo naman.
What did you do with my sister? It's already rain. Because she said, okay.
Ano ako? Wala akong damit. Bukas na lang suot yan. Bukas na lang.
Dad, come with me to go. What again, Brad? Can I come with me? You can go with yourself. I'm going to go back to sleep.
Next week, hindi ko na
Why is
susuotin
Billy
yan.
so sad?
Kanina, sumihingi na namin
Let me go
nito.
prepare my
Tapos,
breakfast.
nahiram na nito.
Okay.
Ito na.
Thank you.
Okay.
So much love. Bait-bait naman ang mga anak ko.
Baka suot na naman.
I
Ayan
think my
sa'yo.
spoiled
Next week sa'yo na.
some apple again.
Okay? Ito na susuotin ko. Last one na lang. At saka bukas. Thank you.
Right here. After up here, always in
Love you,
Mami,
babe.
saan tayo?
Balik lang kasi
Kanina dito naman, kanina. Kanina. Diyan ka naman. Kanina, diyan ka naman.
Where's Daddy?
I don't want to finish
Ha?
taking care of her sister because she's sick. I think you can't not lunch today. But why? I don't care. Get your umbrella right now. Go look.
Mommy, look at me.
Goodbye, my spoiled
Sabi ko
mom.
sa akin, plastic suot mo na ito. Ngayon, suot mo na naman.
You're a spoiled brat. Now get out.
Papa man ikaw, babe. Kasi ano ko muna.
Why so like this?
Ay, ito na lang.
What?
Ay, ito na lang, Mami.
Oh my god, my spoiled brat. I need to go. Mommy, where's my brother spoiled? She's on school. Okay, go brush your teeth, okay?
Mami, aba. Aba. Abracadabra.
Abacadabra.
Put some toothpaste on my toothbrush because I'm going to toothbrush my lip around.
What are we going to do?
Mom, can you take a shower? Okay, take a shower. Take a shower.
Ano ka mamaya, may mga hilahan ng ano doon, tapos magwarak akong hindi. Baliktad na yan,
Ginger
Day.
apple. Okay, Mom.
Mami, sa akin ba to? Mami, sa akin ba to, Mami? Mami.
Ano ba yung mabigat, ha? Ano bang size to?
Mami, paano ba to? Ano?
Okay.
Oh my god. How did you go
Para
in
sa
this
ganyan?
spoiled brat?
Dili ko pa.
Mami, Mami, paano ba to?
Baliktad kasi!
Okay.
It won't fit you.
Mom, yes? Can I answer? Okay. How did you go here?
Hindi ko makasya.
Okay, answer.
Dito, Mami.
Ito na, tingnan ko nga yung Tommy na yan, ha? Ay, wag lang. Ito na lang, kasi mas...
This one.
Kasi ako talaga sanay. Parang feeling ko, ang laki-laki ko.
Mom, can I play outside when the rain stopped? Okay.
Mami, hindi ako marunong.
Ano ba? Leggings. Overshoes. Ito kaya yung mga subo. So, ano ba yan?
The rain stopped. Mom, can I go outside? Okay.
Di ba
Ooh,
parang
the
mabalak?
rain, I'm so wetty.
Ate! Ayun, can you take a picture?
Can I play outside? No. Just when you go to the bathroom, just peel yourself outside in the middle of the night.
Diba?
So now I don't care. Fine. Go get dressed up. I get dressed up. Now be quiet. Let's go upstairs.
Parang, yung Tommy parang plain na plain eh. Yung Tommy.
The clock is already 9:32. What was the day do?
Pero mga lumang style na
Gotta go get dressed. I like this one. think it's noisy today, but I don't. Okay. I look better. What is that noise? Don't worry, doing in my bed. Now we put him right. Hey, my brat, get out here right now. Why? I said get out. Okay. I'm gonna go to this house. So I sent today's sports. So today, and we are now watching some TV. Baby, bye.